They counted us out. They didn't think that we would make it up. They didn't believe in us.
At 65, like, I'ma go after this. Like, that's so inspiring to me that she's gonna take a chance or that she wanna take a chance. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna try and help her as much as possible.
Look at this one. Look at this one.
No fence can stop me.
And I'm about to follow her.
No fence can. Right, you could easily.
I'm about to follow her.
I need to put my foot in it.
Feeling it. Our water's cold. Whew. Okay, we can either go down or Which way? Your way? This way. This way. Oh yeah, look at all of that. Yeah. People used to go down there.
It's almost like they can't get.
No, you can't.
You're gonna feel so good though. Right? Like it's gonna feel so good.
But it's so low. Like, really, what you gonna do? But I know it is slippery, probably on some of like on the rock. Yeah, that.
It got hot up this bitch too. Shit. The sun is sunning, baby.
I think you could open just the top.
Don't be letting your mama chickens out. Yeah, this fancy. They had my chickens had a shift made up.
And inside they have spinach too.
Which one is mine?
This is Bodhi.
Bodhi too?
Yeah, they call it they have a name the Chinese call it.
Oh, that's Asian? It's an Asian
No,
spinach?
this is Caribbean.
Okay.
Nice pepper. Let me see it.
Oh, and that's what comes off of it?
Yeah. And you curry it.
These leaves are huge. Why are these leaves so big?
Right.
Oh my God.
Inside. What she feeding it? This is chicken manure.
God
the
damn. Oh my God, you can't even breathe.
It's too
Oh
hot.
my God.
She raising dinosaur eggs in here. Look at this.
Where the pumpkins at? I ain't even see that. What is that, Mom?
Bitter melon.
Bitter melon?
Yeah,
Bitter
correct.
melon.
Yeah. Correct. But we call it
You got the whole...
How much pumpkin you will get from this?
Too much pumpkin.
Wait, how much pumpkin you'll get from this? Look at this side too. Watch out, Crystal. Look here. What? This is squash. Look at this squash. Mom, that's crazy. Let's see. Squash.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there it
Look,
goes
they
right
have
there.
one, too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's acorn squash, right?
Yeah, yeah. And
Look at that. I know acorn squash. Oh, my goodness. Look at all these little tomatoes.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Mom got it.
Here a while. In what way? What are you doing to make this thing come up like this, though? This is like Jack and the Beanstalk.
Compared to my head. This leaf is huge. I got them real tomatoes here, baby.
You said the tomatoes sweet. You should try.
I saw them. I like making fried. This is what they said use your yard for. Ma said she got a whole. The heat just. Ew. I'm sure they. What they got? Lemon pepper. Nope. They really got people wet. Yeah, like.
But then mixed in with a little pepper. It's like you're like, I get the. You're like, it's just on a roll.
Right. Let me get that 5 piece on the roll. I'll take it off. So $12.99 for $5.99 to $12.99. That's a big jump. And knowing that I ain't gonna eat it, like, you know what I mean? Like, I ain't gonna have to be. If I'm just about to eat this buttered hot dog bun, okay? That's what I should have said. Just give me one buttered hot dog bun. I didn't know they do the buns like this. Come on, Frankie. That was my grandfather named Frank.
Mine too.
For real? Oh, my mom's house. Yep.